Yo guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Cole here and I desperately need a haircut, so I'm having the hood on for this intro. Today we're going to be doing an install on my dad's 2016 GT Mustang. We're going to be doing an AWE track exhaust install. I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure to like and subscribe if you're new. And let's get right into the video. Alright guys, so we got the car jacked up with the quick jack that you saw in the last video. And we're going to go ahead on it to install the exhaust. So we're using a 15mm socket. Okay.
That exhaust is together, so it's not going to fall on you.
Okay. Go back here. 13mm if I can get that. Yep. Alright. And that's pretty easy to get off.
I can get you a ratchet. I thought we were going to need to break it, but if we don't need to break it.
I'll do the other one real quick too. And there's two of these, one on each side. That's fine. Yeah, it's easy. I'll loosen up the other one. Let me see how loose this one is. Not that loose. Okay. We should probably get the other ones too. Okay, so we have this bolt. Can you hand me the light? Right here. And then also this one right here. You can see that. Yeah, right there. And it's identical on the other side. Over here. And we're going to use the same 13mm as last time. With an extension. Alright, so we have the full stock exhaust off the car, just from that one bolt, this one bolt, and then these two and those two. And then also the bracket, which is still up there, connected to where the cats are. So alright, let's get into the new one. Alright, so we're putting the H-pipe in now, into the where the stock resonator is connected.
You got the driver's side. There you go. You want me to hand you the bolts, the nuts?
Nope, I got it, I think. Alright, so we're going to put these factory nuts back on correctly.
We'll have to, it's going to hang down a little bit.
Yeah.
Alright, go ahead and get the back one on. Because you want that bar to come up even. There you go. We're just kind of getting it hung up there.
Yeah.
Once we get all the pieces on, then we will.
Well, yeah, why does this one not have slits in it?
I don't know.
This one has slits in it.
I see that.
Huh.
It should slide over.
Sure.
I think we make sure.
Something's wrong. It's not gonna fit. Alright guys, so we're on day 2 of the install. We had to send the original one back because it was a little bit messed up. Connecting to the H-pipe, it wouldn't fit on. So it's been 2 days, or it's been, I think 4 days later.
Yeah, 4 days later.
And then we have the second exhaust, which is the same thing, but this one's actually able to be put on. So we're back where we were left off, and then we're going to continue the install.
All right, it's in.
Alright.
40.
Alright, so we're putting the tailpipes on, I guess. We just finished the passenger mid-pipe, which was messed up on the last order, but now it's all good. It's close. About this. It's not even feather. Alright, it's hooked. That's where it is.
Okay.
Looks good.
You want to put the bolts in? Get
Yeah.
them started?
Yeah, get them started. And these are 13 millimeter, pretty long. And there's 2, and I didn't film it, but there's another 13 millimeter hanger up here that connects to the mid pipe, and it goes right here. That you reuse. Yeah, right here. This hanger, and then this 13 millimeter right here. Oh, I can't use an extension for that one. And I might need a longer extension.
I have a longer extension.
Here, I'll get the top one first. Alright, so here's the hanger here. First screw, and then second one. These aren't tightened all the way, because we don't have everything all together yet. Alright, so now onto the driver's side. Pipe. Yeah, it fits in. Alright, I got it from there. Alright, it's in. Get the 2 screws to go in. Alright, so there's 1 screw up here and then another one right here where these connect the hanger on to the car. And we'll get these on, and then we'll get the tips, and that'll be this video. And also for this bottom one, right here, you'll need a pretty long extension. As you can see, I'm using this. And it fits just on there. And you barely have enough room. Alright, so the tip's going on. Well, yeah, I'm assuming you only put it on this far.
Like right there.
Yeah. Yeah, that's what it looks like. I think. It just got to go to the left.
And up a little bit.
And up a little bit.
Oh gosh. Yeah, it definitely needs to go left also.
Okay.
Right about there.
Alright, so we got everything on. We just have to tighten it all up and align it. So we're going to do that real quick. And then y'all are going to get to hear the sound basically in about 5 seconds. Alright guys, so we have the exhaust fully on, fully lined up where they should be, all centered up. And I'll show y'all one final look under the car and then we're going to get into the startup. So let's go. Everything up here tightened up. You can't really see it that well. The mount right here, 2 bolts. The tip's tightened on. This is torqued up. This clamp for the mid pipe and the tailpipe. And then resonator's all shined. This resonator to H-pipe clamps, these are all torqued up to 50. And then these 4 stock bolts that clamp it from the like cap back to the H-pipe, these are all torqued up to 52. So it's all on. Track edition AWE exhaust. Alright, so we got to get everything out from under the car and then lower it down, and then that's going to be the startup. Alright.
You ready?
Yep. Well, alright guys, that's going to do it for this video. We got no driving shots tonight just because it's a little bit too late. We did go for a drive, but I wasn't going to like get out and do any driving shots. So that's going to end out this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. The catback AWE track exhaust install on a 2016 GT Mustang. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like and subscribe if you are new to the channel. And peace.